mate video korais. Video nganrat korais.
Neno ambayo inauma ya. Nine kilometers mpaka Stoch. Kumbe it's not some young answer, lakini asifiki pigin fast najiko vale karole samago Oo. Nanche go kabono nanche na re tiru etua.
Ishatoka jani.
Yani arme tatene.
So finally, we are here at GOGO Waterfall. Actually, this is an amazing place where to be. As you can have a look at overview all over here. Those are the waters just running from the other far end down there downwards, guys. So I want to take you around and show you how things are happening here. Actually, this place is just located in Migori County and few kilometers actually from Nyabohanse. So my good people, you can just pay a visit wherever you are and enjoy this beautiful view here in Migori County known as GOGO Waterfall. So let me take you and show you how things are just amazing. And we are just going to use this bridge. And this is the bridge where people actually do use like to cross from this end to the far end. So I'm just going to take you all around to show you how things are happening here in an amazing way. Guys, let's go with me. Remember to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, turn on the notification bell for more amazing content, guys. So we have all this. I'm just walking on this bridge. This is the bridge where people are using. So you can see my fellow friends ahead of me over there, and you can see others are just coming from just behind of me. You can hear that noise of water. You can hear that noise of water. This actually what water looks like. Yeah, amazing. I have never been here. This is the first time, and this area it's really cold. It's really cold, guys, because of the waters around this area. Amazing. Have a look at the waters running downwards. Those are the waters. Just here at you can see. You can have a look around here. My good people. Just live from this beautiful area known as GOGO Waterfall. Look at that points, man. We have something here. What is it, guys? I don't know this. So like we had some days back, actually like Kenya Power and Lighting Company, but Kenchan. We call it Kenchan, but currently we don't have it. So you can have a look over this. These are the waters running all downwards to the far end over here. My good people, have a look at this. Have you ever seen this ever in your life? Have you ever come across to such a kind? Look at this. Look at this, guys. Woo! Amazing, amazing. Look at that. Just like a ship, but it's not a ship. Yeah? Looks like a ship, but it's not a ship. Hear that sound, hear that noise from there. Hear that noise, guys. You can imagine how the waters are just oozing over here. Look at that point, how the waters are running downwards. Those are the waters running downwards, my good people. My good people, we can see how the waters are running downwards. Have a look at this point. Have a look at this area. So we have to be careful not to hold this, to round it. Maybe it might crack out, might fall into the waters. So, woo! Amazing, amazing. So it's an amazing moment, my good people, to be here. You can see the waters. Amazing. Have a look at this area. Amazing, my good people. Known as GOGO Waterfall. GOGO Waterfall. Look at the waters, how they're running, guys. Imagine the waters running downwards. They're behind over here. Have a look at this area. This is the area. This is how things looks like. You can see. Can you imagine, my good people? Imagine that. First guy, imagine. being on this area. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I just brought you a tour in GOGO Waterfall found in Migori County. Look at this. Look at this. And this is the bridge, guys. Imagine the length of this, the width of this bridge. Just like 2 feet. I mean 3 feet. Yeah, 3 feet, guys. A bridge of 3 feet where you can pass, where you have to pass slowly, slowly. Humble way, Mangan way. Amazing, amazing. Look at those birds over there. Have a look at, have a look at. Woo! Amazing, amazing. We have some of it. We have it, we have it here. You can have a look at, you can imagine, my good people. Imagine that being at this area. Being at this area. Yeah? Being at this area. GOGO Waterfall. Have a look at how the waters are running downwards. How cold is it? It's actually too cold here, being at this place. GOGO Waterfall. Yeah? The water oozing. You can hear the sound of the water. Look at that point. Have a look at, my good people. So this is known as GOGO Waterfall. GOGO Waterfall, amazing. Yeah, look at that. I wish to find somebody to narrate to me, to elaborate to me how this actually used to be, how it started, and how it is currently. Yeah, imagine. Amazing. Watch. Those are the waters. Look at the waters. Walking on the waters. Just the waters. Imagine, guys. Imagine all over. Goes that way, goes that way. So from that end, and we are just heading this way. Known as GOGO Waterfall. Have a look at, my good people. An amazing, amazing place. Yeah, this is an amazing, amazing place. Look at that. Look at this. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So this is the place known as GOGO Waterfall. Have a look at. So I'm just going to take you to the far end, other side there. Then we will back. We will be back again. So this is the end of it. So you can have a look at, my good people. Let me move to this end. So you can have a look at how the waters are running from this end. So this is known as GOGO Waterfall, and it's a good place to be. I really have enjoyed this. I haven't been here. Actually, I've been hearing that we have GOGO Waterfall, we have something known as, we have a waterfall around this, we have several waterfalls around this actually county, and this is the first time to be here at this area. So my good people, I think I've enjoyed being here, and really amazing. So if you want to pay a visit at this area, you can just pay a visit, take a look, and see how things are happening around this area, my good people. Amazing. Woo! So this is the end of it. This is the end of it. You can have a look at how the waters are just running over there. You can hear that sound, and it's just heading to the Lake Victoria. Yeah. So this is the place actually. Amazing. Good people, it's just getting late, and this place just an amazing. So we are just heading back in order to keep time, because it's 6. So I used to be here when it's late because I've been just doing some of them, like some of business. I didn't come here like to overview over this only, but just working at the same time. Actually, this is the main reason why I decided today to pay a visit this area to see how this GOGO waterfall looks like, how things are here. And after I've told you, it's an amazing. So the place, it's really amazing. So rato swago chiengoro ime. So it's really amazing. And you can see even people do like the motorists, they can also walk around this area or at the same time. So let's go back and see how things are. Just wow. So my good people, keep tuned. Remember to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, also share the link. Welcome to GOGO Waterfall. GOGO Waterfall is found in Migori County. Amazing. Keep tuned, my good people. Keep tuned. Yeah, man. So welcome to this channel. It's your boy here. I am _Sia. We are just coming live from this beautiful area known as GOGO Waterfall. This is a place actually where to be. My good people, if you want to pay a visit, want to see how this waterfall looks like, welcome to this area. GOGO Waterfall, it's also called in Migori County. So it's few meters or few kilometers from Nyabohanse, and it's actually a blessing, an amazing place to be. So my good people, welcome over here and enjoy the environment. GOGO Waterfall, amazing.